This video will look at how to graft mangoes. We will start with a small animation to explain the basics and then give a full demonstration. Some things to consider before you graft are plant selection, budwood preparation, and pest and disease management. These aspects can make an important difference to the success or failure of your graft. They are not covered in this demonstration, but are explained in more depth in a separate video. Grafting any plant requires a base plant called a rootstock and the top or scion. The choice of the two plants is very important as varieties vary in compatibility. This demonstration is for a wedge graft. The other popular commercial method is the side graft or side veneer graft. Essentially, the rootstock is cut off and an incision is made down the middle. The scion is shaped into a V shape and then inserted into the rootstock to form the graft union. Before you start grafting, you will need to collect your scion cuttings. Take the cuttings from the tip of the plant, around 20 centimeters long, and then place them in a bucket of water until you are ready to use them. Once you are ready to graft, use a scalpel or a knife to cut off the top of the rootstock. This should be 20 to 30 centimeters above the pot, and then slice downwards through the center of the stem. Choose a scion tip that is the same diameter as the rootstock. Cut down both sides of the scion to make a V shape, ensuring that the edges are even and the end of the wedge is straight. This is a close-up of a scion tip. This area here is the cambium layer or the active cell layer. It is really important that the cambium layers in both the tip and the rootstock match up. Gently fit the tip into the rootstock and push it down until you get a nice fit. Once the tip is in place, you can use grafting clips or tape to hold it together. In this case, we are using grafting tape. Wrap the tape around the joint, applying even pressure, and tie it off once finished. Place a bag over the grafted plant to maintain humidity and keep it in a greenhouse or a sheltered position out of the wind with gentle misting for about 2 weeks until the graft takes.